Alrighty, y'all. Now that I've got my eggs into my little Christmas tree molds here, I'm coming in with the festive Christmas decorations. We've got red and green, a little bit of gold in our fresh cut bell peppers. Now you can use whatever color you like, but I'm using multicolors today. Now I've got some fresh diced onion, and this is so good for you, good for the heart, good for your cholesterol. It really just keeps detoxifying the liver, and that's super important around the holidays because people are eating a lot of fatty, sugary stuff and maybe drinking more than they normally would. So this is a perfect balance to that. Now, another one that's really good for the heart and the cholesterol is the garlic. And so I'm gonna put just some garlic in each one of these. I absolutely love garlic, and I'm just using the easy squeeze today, but you can use powder or diced cloves. Alrighty, since we've got those healthful ingredients, we can have a little bit of bacon in here, extra protein. This is gonna keep you full all day long while you're out doing your Christmas shopping or you're wrapping presents. Oh my gosh, putting up the lights. There's just so much to do at this time of year, but this is gonna be enough nutrients to just get you through the day. Alrighty, now I got this red pepper cheese. It's low moisture mozzarella, and it's just got a little bit of red pepper in here. So I'm gonna leave off my salt and pepper today and just give this a go. It was on sale at the grocery store. They've got this, they've got a Frank's red sauce, red hot sauce, and just all these fun kind of cheeses. So much cool, interesting stuff available at this time of year. I love it. Alrighty, I'm putting my lid onto my eggs, and we're gonna let that cook for about 3 minutes. Alrighty, it's been 3 minutes and breakfast is ready. Alrighty, everybody, Christmas breakfast is ready. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put my plate right on top here and flip. So easy, so festive. Oh my gosh, they look so cute. Oh my God, they're so cute. Look at our beautiful little Christmas trees here. Now you need a little bit of sriracha with your breakfast, and you gotta decorate those trees. So just a little drizzle of that, a little bit of cracked black pepper, and a little bit of Italian seasoning for our greenery. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. The perfect Christmas breakfast bite.